The Hellenic Army is one of the largest operators of Leopard 2A4 tanks, with about 183 units. The Leopard 2A4 is a major modification of the Leopard 2 main battle tank, developed in 1985. While having reinforced armor greatly enhances protection, the absence of area armor is still a shortcoming for the modern battlefield. According to Bulgarian military, the Greek 2A4s were eventually upgraded with an explosive reactive armor, which greatly improved the survivability of the crew. The reality of the Ukrainian battlefield shows the main battle tanks are increasingly vulnerable to new anti-tank weapons, and improving the protection of combat vehicles is essential. Greek tanks will receive a factory serial ASPIS Modular NG-MB armor set. Leaked photos have shown the Leopard 2A4 with enhanced frontal protection of the front part of the tank's hull and turret. Also, dynamic protection blocks appear on the sides of the tank's turret and in the front of the hull, covering the driver. In addition, the rear of the tank's turret is covered with a set of anti-cumulative grills. The ASPIS Modular NG-MB kit is developed by the Greek company EODH-SA. The set also includes an active protection system with the placement of elements on the most vulnerable area of the tank, the roof of the tower. The activation of the APS elements occurs after the sensors of the radar system detect anti-tank missiles flying at the combat vehicle. For Greece, the modernization of Leopard 2A4 is an important issue. The country's Ministry of Defense has planned quite a big upgrade to its entire armored vehicle fleet, which includes the procurement of German Kf-41 Lynx. According to the program, 123 Leopard 2A4 should be modernized to the A7 standard, leaving another 60 tanks as they are. Applying explosive reactive armor might be a solution for Athens to keep them relevant. The Leopard 2A4 is a widespread version of the Leopard 2 family released in the 1980s. The 2A4 version is fitted with a 3-man turret, armed with a 120mm L44 smoothbore gun operated with a stabilized control system. The fire control system enables the MBTs to maintain accuracy even while on the move. Further enhancements include the use of more lethal and versatile kinetic energy and multi-purpose ammunition. The tank is powered by a turbocharged diesel engine developing 1,500 horsepower for a top road speed of 72 km per hour and up to 60 km in cross-country terrain.